Welcome to Lydia's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how easy to make omelette in the plastic bag. It's very delicious and tasty. Enjoy it. So I have here eggs, spinach, some fried bacon, some smoked cheese and onions. So you need the plastic bag. We're gonna make the omelette in the plastic bag. So I crack my eggs and I'm gonna mix them. Now you're gonna add your spinach. If you don't like spinach, you don't have to eat spinach. The bacon, fried bacon. I use the smoked Gouda cheese. You can use any cheese if you want. And onions. So mix this. Now you put the salt. Don't use too much salt. You can use pepper or some chili flakes. So mix it again. Like this. Now you're gonna take your plastic bag. And you put everything here. So it's gonna look like this. Now we close it and take some straw. I'm gonna show you. Take the straw, put it the straw like this. And you're gonna suck the whole air out. Hold on. And you close it. So I think this will be okay. Now make sure you bring your water to boil. Add some salt, it's gonna cook faster. And when the water gonna start boiling, you're just gonna put your omelette here. So the water start boiling, you just put your eggs and let it cook to 15 to 20 minutes to the well done. And make sure you hold your bag like this, so it can be like this. So after 20 minutes, it's gonna look like this. So what I did, I was holding the eggs like this, like 5 minutes to the get cooked right here, so they don't fall off over. So I hold like this 5 minutes, then I'll let it go. And how you're gonna know the eggs are done? They're gonna float on top of the water, so it's mean it's done. So, but cook them, if you like runny eggs, you can cook 15 minutes, maybe less. But if you wanna make sure the eggs are cooked, cook them about 20 minutes. So now I'm gonna open for you. You have to be careful and make sure the bag is BPA free. Don't use the regular bag because this is causing cancer. Make sure you don't break it. Okay, good. So like this. I'll show you. The spinach is on top. The bacon and onions is on the bottom. So let me cut it for you and show you how it's look like. I'm just gonna cut this out so this can look more beautiful. You see? It's like sushi. Here's the cheese, melted still. So if you like my video, please share, subscribe and like, and thank you for watching.